into the 52s. We said that the 15 chart might help the shorts. 5-minute chart got its head above, and then we slipped back into this. So we said keep an eye on this. Zeke was remembering that intraday gap that we had right here. This line, 52.25, actually is where the gap is. Absolutely. And this rolls over on the 15. 60-minute chart kicking in. Bounced, soft bounce. We still have all the, you see when you have this gap up here, this keeps those traders who guessed wrong on the hook. So it's the long's turn today to be on the hook. And this is that intraday gap. Pretty darn close. And if you're looking at the 5, nice view of the 5. Here's the 3 that we've been looking at. The 3 is a nice chart. And finally gets its head back under. Come back and fill that gap. Within a tick or two of it. Right here. Right there. It's got into the 52s. Grab it. We'd said today's support likely to be 52 if the 57s broke. The next level down would be this gap area. And obviously this first support held for the longest time. First was a 55 because that was our magnet. And then obviously if we could get to the 53s to 52, we got to 53 and bingo, that was it this morning. Got the bounce. And here we are, just about filling that, couple ticks away. And nice catch by Zeke to remember that. There's a 15. There's a 60. And you can see step by step, we took out this low right here. Right, that was our magnet. 55, 55.13. And 60-minute chart looking good. I've got 50, 75 as the support for now, Angel. So good day by the shorts. This really, first time that there's been a two-stager for the shorts in a long time. NQ. But the NQ coming back. I said this was minor support. Remember I said that earlier? This is minor support. Got to look back here. Here's your bigger support right here. And it still feels like pulling teeth, just try to get the market to come back 10, 12 points, you know, God. A couple 100 points up or whatever it's been. I mean, think about it. Well, not just a couple hundred. Think back 4 years, you know. God. At any rate, this 52 and a quarter was that gap, and so far it's still intact, interestingly. Anyways, we said anybody that's coming in, figure 52s, you know, be off by 52. Getting late, and if you got a trailer, up to you. But good spot to be taking profits from, because my assumption is 51 to 52 is support. Take a look at your TF. Yeah, the 120s are still looking good over here. 30-minute chart ran into resistance. 120 is the best support chart right now. And look at your 15s. Now, 15s are a great chart. You know, you can trade this. All right, so longs have been washed out a couple of times, and now late shorts, be careful. Put a 5 on it. Still using that 59 resistance. We said, you know, this would be an aggressive area. A little bit deeper would be back here at the 61s. And that was, you know, overnight. Return to the scene of the crime and then roll over again. So good day for the shorts, really. Thank you, Mike. Let me take a quick peek over there. Yeah, they really are still respecting that trend line so far. It's a good point, though. And notice the XLF has come back today. Poked its head up and then come right back, test support. And Google is funny. This was what, the 60 that we had found there, I think. Okay, coming into a second time test. You know, this was more about risk and reward than anything today. You know, a couple points of fluff and no big deal. That's why we said, let's try the, you know, the back end. We said today, you use that 65 to 68 as your resistance and try to hit it. And my assumption was that somebody would be trying to buy today, because that was the game plan, was sell any highs and then buy a little pullback. This trade works, doesn't go anyplace, but this trade is a nice contra. And that's where trade management makes all the difference here. And this trade is just as valid as selling off, especially in an uptrend. Anyways, keep an eye on time. These traders are left at the altar, all the altar boys, the guys that wanted to, you know, push the luck on the long side. Much better value coming back than I'm trying to buy those highs, obviously. And interesting how a lot of times they will dump one day in the beginning of the cycle. You know, buy them cheaper. So shorts, don't get too overconfident now. That's all I can say. And this is healthy.